One of the most talked about ingredients in skincare is retinol. But do you really know what it does, how to use it, and if it's right for you? Today I'm going to break this down for you. I've been using retinol for the past 3 years, and one of the most significant things I can say about retinol is that it has helped with textured skin for me, and it has equally helped with acne breakouts. So I don't know what your skin condition is, but retinol covers so many different skin conditions. I'm going to go through what retinol is, what it does, how to use it, and help you determine whether or not it's the right ingredient for you. Retinol is a gold standard ingredient when it comes to anti-aging, and for good reasons, because retinol covers so many areas of skin concerns: fine lines, wrinkles, textured skin, loss of elasticity, acne. For me, I could tell for sure that retinol has significantly improved my skin's texture. So that's my personal testimony. And I haven't recommended retinol to most of my clients because the retinol we initially had was a 0.5% strength retinol. It is pure retinol, but the strength was a little bit too high for most people to incorporate into their routine. It required a retinization process. But I'm excited today to share this because we now have a new retinol with a lower percentage, which is safe for everybody, and you don't need to retinize your skin before incorporating it. If you're someone who is using any type of anti-aging, you can just start using your retinol and use it up to 5 times a week, which is why I am so excited about this one. So if you are my client, you're using the Miracle set, you're using the Repair set, this is the time for you to start incorporating retinol. I know I haven't talked to you about this before, but this is the time. The retinol is officially out, and I'm excited to get you on the train. So let's start by looking at how to incorporate retinol. If you haven't been using any type of anti-aging or retinol related product, I would say start 2 to 3 times a week and get your skin comfortable. Retinol is an active ingredient that some people can react to, especially people with sensitive skin or rosacea and eczema. So be careful with that. However, if you're somebody with normal skin, no skin condition, and you're using other active ingredients, you can easily incorporate retinol into your routine without any reactions. And how do you incorporate it? When do you use retinol in your skincare routine? Retinol should only be used at night because your skin becomes very sensitive to the sun when you apply retinol. When you wake up in the morning, always apply sunscreen. Retinol does not go well together with UV exposure, so be mindful of that. Never use retinol in your morning routine. Limit it to your nighttime routine. And when you're applying retinol at night, if you're using other serums, when you cleanse, if you have a serum with a lighter consistency, apply that serum and then your retinol. If you are not using any other serum, when you cleanse your skin, apply your retinol before your moisturizer. Moving on to who should use retinol. Retinol is safe for any woman, any man over 20, because once you turn 20, your skin starts losing firmness. So retinol is going to help to restore that firmness. There are so many benefits of using retinol. Personally, as someone with acne-prone skin, that was my reason for incorporating retinol. If you're someone with textured skin or wrinkled skin, retinol will be a great addition to your routine. However, you have to be mindful that it is not for women who are dealing with something like rosacea or eczema. You want to do a patch test before you incorporate retinol. So you want to be careful with that because it can irritate your skin. And then another group of women who should not be using retinol at all, even if they're over 20, are women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use retinol. As amazing as retinol is, it is not safe for your child. So wait until you're done breastfeeding before incorporating retinol. So that's what I have for you today. The power of retinol. And I'm here to encourage you, if you're not currently using it, the perfect retinol is here. Those of you who've been asking about retinol, trust me, you need this one. You don't have to retinize your skin. Just add it to your skincare routine and you will tell the difference. And remember, it is not about buying it and keeping it. Please, it's about the consistency of use. When you use this product consistently, within a month, you'll be able to tell the difference. I hope this helps, and if it does, let me know in the comments. Share this video with someone who can benefit from it as well. And as always, take care of your skin and stay radiant.